I recently generated over $116,000 in revenue in just 30 days selling digital products. And here's the part that surprises most people. I did not spend one single penny on advertising. Every single sale came from free organic traffic. Now, if you're wondering, okay, Wendy, where did all those sales come from? That is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video today. Because here's the truth. It does not matter how amazing that your digital product is or what you have to sell. If nobody sees it, nobody can buy it. And over the last several years, I have tried about every social media platform out there that you can think of, like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I spent years learning what worked, what didn't work. Then I made one simple change. And that one decision completely changed the trajectory of my business. Hey, in case we haven't met yet, my name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and over the last few years, I have built a 7-figure online business using digital products, and my mission is simple. I help adults over 50 build a simple online income using digital products and social media without confusing tech or complicated systems, because I truly believe building an online business shouldn't feel overwhelming. It should feel simple and exciting. And if you're anything like me, you don't want to spend all day glued to your friggin' phone chasing the next algorithm change. Because after trying almost every platform out there, I finally found one that allowed me to build my business and generate multiple streams of income and still have time to be that grandma that I want to be. And that is exactly what I want to show you today, my friend. But before we dive in, if you're serious about building an online business the right way, I would love to invite you to our free Scale Your Brand Challenge. We just finished doing it live, but you can watch the instant replay. There's so much value there, because one of the biggest mistakes that I see people make is jumping straight into creating products or trying to sell before they actually built the right foundation. Inside this free challenge, we're going to help you discover your brand clarity, your messaging, identify exactly who you want to serve, and build a business that people actually connect with. Because once you have the right foundation, my friend, everything else becomes so much easier. And again, it's completely free. I will leave the link in the description below so you can grab it whenever you're ready. Now let's jump into the biggest lesson that I learned after spending years and years trying almost every social media platform out there. Making money online has very little to do with creating a digital product. In fact, creating the product is probably almost the easiest part. The hard part is getting people to actually see it. It's the marketing. Think about it. You can spend weeks creating a perfect product. You can do a perfect course even. You can have an ebook, a printable, an online coaching program. But if nobody can find you or know you exist, you're not going to make any sales, because marketing creates the visibility. Visibility builds trust, and trust leads to sales. That's exactly what changed for me. When I stopped focusing so much on creating and started focusing on getting my message in front of the right people, everything changed. Now, over the years, I've tested almost every single social media platform trying to figure out where I should spend my time. Some of them worked really well. Some of them worked until they didn't. And then some of them simply weren't worth the effort or the time. So let me walk you through my experience with each one. Because if it can save you years of trial and error, then this video was worth making. Let's start with Instagram. There was a time when I was posting consistently on Instagram. I was creating reels, posting to stories, trying to grow my audience, learning the platform, and you can see my account right here. I was doing exactly what everyone told me to do. And honestly, Instagram absolutely can work, and it does work for so many people. Over time, I realized something. Instagram wasn't giving me the long-term results that I was looking for. The content moved so quickly that it constantly felt like I had to create more just to be visible. And eventually I asked myself, is this really how I want to spend my time? And the answer was no. Today, I hardly use Instagram anymore at all, because I found a platform that works much harder for me long after I hit that publish button. Before I share that, let's talk about Facebook. Because one thing I really do like about Facebook is that you can have both personal and a business account. And I still use my personal Facebook all the time. That is where I share pictures of my grandkids, keep in touch with my family, and it's where my mother-in-law, who lives a little ways away, gets to see what we are up to. It's become more of a personal space for me, and I really enjoy that. But if you head over to my business page, you'll notice something. I hardly ever post there anymore. In fact, over the last year, I've maybe used it once or twice. Like, that is it. And the reason is simple. As my business has grown, I've become much more intentional about where I spend my time. I only have so many hours in the day, just like everybody else. And I'd rather invest those hours in a platform that is bringing me in the biggest return, my best ROI. Now let's talk about TikTok. TikTok completely changed my life. In fact, as I was starting my business, I generated over $650,000 through organic TikTok videos. So I'll never tell you that TikTok does not work, because it absolutely does. And you can see my account right here. I was posting every single day, multiple, 2, 3, 4 times a day. I was doing exactly what I was told and what the algorithm rewarded. I realized that I had built a business that depended on me constantly feeding the algorithm. I had to show up and do my little dance on TikTok to make any sales. And the minute I slowed down, my reach slowed down too. And on top of that, I spent countless hours reporting these stupid fake accounts, like scammer accounts, that were constantly stealing my videos and pretending to be me and trying to scam people. It was ridiculous and very, very frustrating. It became exhausting. And then one day, I asked myself a simple question. Do I want to build a business that depends on me showing up every single day? That question changed everything, and I made one simple change. Instead of chasing all that short form video content every single day, I published one searchable long form video. That one video changed everything for me. It completely changed the trajectory of my business. So let me tell you why YouTube has become my favorite platform ever. Now, I am not a YouTuber. No, I'm not. I use YouTube to grow my business because it gives me the freedom that I've always wanted. Since making YouTube my primary platform, I've more than quadrupled my sales. My videos have now been viewed more than 2 million times, and I have earned over $37,000 in just 1 year from YouTube AdSense alone. And I'm still a fairly new channel. Now, just to put that in perspective for you, that is more than I used to make working an entire year at my 9-to-5. And remember, that's just YouTube AdSense. It does not include the more than $116,000 in digital product sales that I generated during that 30-day period. It doesn't include my affiliate commissions that I earn every single month from recommending products and programs that I generally love and believe in. And it doesn't include the reoccurring income from my monthly membership. Because one searchable YouTube video can generate AdSense income, it can introduce people to your business, it can sell your digital products and generate affiliate income and help you grow your memberships, all from a single piece of content. Now that is the kind of business that gives you freedom. Now here is something that surprised me totally. Inside YouTube, you can create long form videos. You can publish short form videos. You can post in the community tab. You can share images. You can create reels and polls and even publish carousel posts. It's like having the best parts of Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all rolled up into one platform. And unlike most social media platforms, your content doesn't disappear after 24 to 48 hours. Your videos are searchable. Someone can find a video that you made 6 months or even a year ago. Just check this video out here. VPH, that is views per hour. Videos I posted over a year ago is still bringing me in views, leads, and sales. That is the power of evergreen content. Your videos keep working long after you hit that publish button. And that's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to build a business that worked for me, not because I was posting constantly, but because I created content that people were actively searching for. That one mindset shift changed everything. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Wendy, I love the idea, but where do I even start? Well, I've put together a free YouTube Success Starter Kit, looks like this, and it walks you through exactly how to start your very own YouTube channel the right way, the way that I did. And when you grab it, you can also get access to my free YouTube training where I go much deeper into the exact strategy that I use to grow my business with YouTube. I actually taught this class during the Scale Your Brand Challenge, and people were actually blown away because they had no idea how powerful YouTube really is. Most people think it's just a place to, search videos. But once you understand how to create a searchable content that continues working for you month after month after month, you will never look at YouTube the same way again. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you already have started one, but you're not seeing the results that you hoped for, then grab that free YouTube Success Starter Kit, use the link below, it's right there, I think it's going to completely change the way that you look at building an online business with YouTube. Now, before we wrap up, there is one more piece of the puzzle that I think every online business owner needs to understand, and that's your email list. Because at the end of the day, you don't own Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or even YouTube. Somebody else owns it, and they allow you to play on it for free. But your email list, that's yours. That's why every piece of content that I create has one purpose: to build a relationship. Whether somebody finds me through YouTube or anything else, I always invite them into my email list where I can continue to serve them, answer their questions, help them on their journey, because that's where trust is built. And that's when people get to know you, they get to like you, and they get to trust you. Sales become the natural next step. And that's why I encourage everyone to start building their email list from day one. It's one of the best business assets that you will ever create. So after spending years testing just about every major social media platform out there, here's what I've learned. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, they can absolutely work. But if it were me, starting over again today, knowing everything that I know, I would build my business on YouTube. Not because I want to be a YouTuber, because I don't, but because I want the freedom that it creates. I want content that continues working for me long after I hit that publish button. I want multiple streams of income from one piece of content. And I want a business that gives me more time with my family instead of keeping me glued to my phone. That's the business I built. And honestly, it's the business I wish somebody had shown me years ago. So if you're on the beginning stages, then I really invite you to join that Scale Your Brand free challenge, because before you worry about YouTube and before you worry about creating any digital products, you need the right foundation. And inside this free challenge, we're going to help you discover that. And you can build a business that people actually connect with. Because when your foundation is strong, my friend, everything else becomes so much easier. I'll leave the link in the description below for you. Now, in today's video, I showed you how I generated over $116,000 in 30 days without spending one single penny on advertising. And I showed you why I believe YouTube is the absolute best platform to grow your business with that free organic traffic. But getting the traffic is only half of the equation. The next question is, what do you actually sell? Well, in this next video here, I am going to walk you through the 5 passive income streams that I believe are perfect for beginners over 50. Including the exact income streams that I use to grow my business today. So go click that video and I will see you over there, my friend.